Why are more businesses turning to mechanical keypad locks? It's a question that's been gaining momentum in recent years. The answer is simple and multifaceted. Mechanical keypad locks offer several advantages that are driving businesses to adopt them. From small enterprises to large corporations, these innovative locking systems are becoming the go-to choice for security and convenience. Ease of use is another major advantage. With mechanical keypad locks, there's no need to worry about lost or forgotten keys. A memorized code is all that's needed to gain entry, making it simple and efficient for employees to access the premises. The flexibility of these locks is also a significant draw. Codes can be easily changed as needed, allowing businesses to swiftly adapt to personnel changes without the need to replace locks or keys. This flexibility extends to granting different access levels to different staff, further enhancing the security. Bamboo Locksmith Service of Pleasant Hill offers installation and service of Kaba Simplex. Lock Series 1000 and 8100. Please call us at your convenience 925-278-9701. We are your local company and happy to serve you.